What will win in a drag race between the ultimate BMW M3, this M3 CS Touring, and the ultimate Audi R8, the R8 GT? Well, I'm going to find out by racing them over the standing quarter mile. I'm Matt Watson, you're watching Carwow. This BMW M3 CS Touring has a 3-litre twin-turbo straight six which puts out 550 horsepower and 650 newton-meters of torque, all-wheel drive, 8-speed auto, launch control. I've got this. Though the chap in that car probably thinks otherwise. Hey Sam, can you tell me about your R8 because it's rather special?
Good morning, Matthew. This is the R8 GT 5.2 V10. This has got 620 horsepower, 565 newton-meters of torque, and it weighs just around 1,600 kilos, so very svelte.
Yeah, this is like over 1,800 kilos. That could go against me. Right, we're going to do a drag race. Let's get into this. May the best car win, Sam. Let's launch these things.
That'll be me, but okay.
3, 2, 1.
Oh, good launch. Wheel spin, cold tyres.
That was a great launch. Got him off the line. Oh, is he really been back in? Come on! Come on, BMW, we can do this!
Oh!
He's gaining, he's gaining, he's gaining! I think I know what you're going to say.
I have very cold tyres. I'll give you that. I think we launched fairly equally, but that just had four-wheel drive getting you off the line. This is definitely faster, so you cheated.
I'll tell you what, Sam, because I'm a fair guy, we're going to do best 3 out of 5 on the drag race.
And also because I'm a fair guy, I'm going to let you warm your tyres up first.
And we're going to do that now by having a rolling race. We're going to do it from 50 miles an hour, cars in automatic mode, they're in chill mode, so they're most relaxed settings, as if you're cruising along and then someone challenges you to a race. I'm going to do 3, 2, 1, go. We're going to race to the half mile. You got it?
I do have it, and you are the exact type of person who would challenge this car to a race, aren't you?
Because I'm that big an idiot. 3, 2, 1, go. Oh dear.
Oh, bye-bye.
Oh no, my car is definitely heavier than his. And you can see it there, he's got more power, less weight.
Not even a race.
I think because your car is an R8 and it's the ultimate R8 because it's the GT, I think that your most relaxed mode is never fully relaxed. This is just a family estate car.
Correct. It did launch quite well. I think we both dropped gears at the same time, but this is 300 kilos lighter than you. That was never going to work. And I've got more horsepower. Was it 70 more horsepower? Good luck to you.
Yeah, but I think I can do better because this car in chill mode is more chilled than yours in chill mode. I'm convinced of that. So we're going to do a rolling race again now, but this time, 3rd gear, locked in, sportier settings, no excuses. What I'm going to do is see if I can brake boost it so the turbo is spoiled. Is it worth doing that? Let's find out. Yeah, seems to be. Oh, technique. Before we do this, quick sound check. Which car sounds the best? I think you might win this, but here we go. Let's have yours. It sounds promising, but you got a softie. I have no rev limiter.
All credit to Audi though, I do have a softie, but it's at 6,000.
That sounds better. Right, let's do this race. 3, 2, 1, go.
No, it doesn't shift up. Yes! Oh no!
He cocked something up!
Can I get him back?
Oh my God, no way!
I was so cocky and complacent. Doesn't shift up in manual by itself.
That's a win for you.
Driver error.
Oh my goodness, because I was not going to win that in any way, shape or form. What we're going to do now is have a rolling race from 10 miles an hour in first gear over the half mile. You'll need to change gears yourself, Sam.
Do you know what's really embarrassing? It's actually a really good gearbox in manual. Like, there is no excuse at all.
So everybody, Sam is paid by film companies to do stunt driving. Imagine if you just set up this big set, you know, cameras rolling, actors poised, and there's Sam, unable to operate a car.
My goodness.
Today though, I'm quite happy because he gave me a victory. Right, let's do this.
3, 2, 1.
Oh, turbo lag. What on earth? He has just gone. I was hoping to maybe beat him to the quarter mile.
Hell.
I cannot believe how well that car just picked up. You must have been right in the power band when the hands went down.
It was absolutely singing. I tell you what, you have to pull pedals really fast in this. It revs so fast and hard, this does.
Oh, I love it when you rev fast and hard. Enough of that. We're going to go to the drag race in a minute, but first, brake test. Now, if you want to watch another drag race with some Audis, click on the pop-out banner up there, or scan the QR code on screen. If not, stay here for the brake test. So close, it's so close. Oh my goodness. Ah, Sam, not only am I very pleased about beating you in a brake test, that was so close, but my front tyres are nice and warm and they'll be deployed very much so in the drag race.
I was really nervous going to that. I just knew how well that car brakes. And this has never braked that well. But isn't that amazing? 300 kilos more and it did that.
Right, should we do this drag race? This is the decider, right?
Yeah, I'm genuinely nervous now. I think I'll win.
But I don't know.
I don't think you're going to win. I think four-wheel drive launch traction with no turbo lag, because in that roll in at 10 mile an hour, I had turbo lag. That's how you just shot off. When I'm boosting on launch control, no chance. Let's do it. Let's find out.
Sam, your car is winking at me.
You've broken a very expensive Audi, Sam.
I have got a hazard.
Did you brake so hard the kind of light failed or something?
I think it's just a light bulb probably, or an LED bulb, or some bulb.
Turn the car off and on again. Let's work together as two idiots. Let's fix this car.
Okay, fine.
Why don't you step out the car?
It might be fixed now.
It's not fixed now.
It is? It's fixed. Ah, it's not fixed.
Not.
Hold on, let me find the warning.
You've still
then.
broken it.
Oh wait, it says right side light, daytime running light defective.
Defective. Do you know what we should do?
Go on.
Just hop out of it, let it cycle. I'm gonna have a wee.
Yeah.
Reduce
Very
some
good.
weight. I
Fine.
need to because my car's so heavy.
Yeah.
You do some things.
A few moments later.
Did you lock it?
Look,
Cycle
oh,
it?
here it look. Yeah, I did.
Okay, shall we find out if you
Shots
fixed
fired
it?
from Louis straight away.
Yes! Right, let's race.
And now my car's cold. Whatever.
Yeah, your tyre. Yes, his tyres are cold. Let's race.
3, 2, 1.
Oh my God. Sake.
reeling me in now, but it's too little too late. What's the mic? I can't find my mic!
Did you wee on it?
Say some more things!
Did you wee on it?
No!
La la la, la 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 la.
What happened there? It's 2-0.
You're cheating because you've got four-wheel drive. And it's 1-0, that was a warm-up.
No, 2-0. I won the first drag race at the beginning, and now I've won another one, that's 2-0. You need to win the next one, otherwise you're out, my friend.
That opening race was a warm-up, just an intro. Don't talk nonsense.
Let me just check something, I'm a bit worried. Did I jump the start?
I'll check it, yeah.
Yeah, can you check it?
Yeah.
Are you able to check it? Oh no, he's really warming up his tyres now.
No.
Lewis says no, we're going to go with no. You absolutely have to win this race, Sam. I've got 2. It's best 3 out of 5.
3, 2, 1.
Oh, he had a good start. This is going to be really close.
Come on, Audi!
Can I hold on?
Come on!
I can't!
Yes!
You have pulled it back, young sir.
Yeah, I'm kind of trying to figure out, this is doing kind of funny things with the gear shift, but yeah, that worked.
Too right, it worked. Damn it. Right, this is it. This is the decider. It's gone right down to the wire.
Now the pressure's on you, Watson, isn't it?
No, not at all. I'm going to go into 4-wheel drive, not 4-wheel drive sport. It seems slower in 4-wheel drive sport. I think I can have him.
3, 2, 1.
Oh, is that going to be enough of a lead?
I've got to have him now, come on!
He's coming back now.
Oh!
Oh my God, BMW, you can do it, you can do it.
Oh, this is close!
You can do it, can you? It was so close, backwards and forwards. That was an epic race, and you've been a very gallant loser.
I'm always a gallant loser. But the fact is, you're four-wheel drive, and I'm rear-wheel drive. And the other fact is, I know that car can go rear-wheel drive. But I also know it doesn't have launch control in rear, so I won't use launch either. Let's have a rear-wheel drive race and see who wins.
Okay, this could be scary.
So just to be completely fair, if I put this in race mode, I can't brake boost on the line. So I'm going to put it in D and dynamic mode, and that way I can brake boost just like you. So there'll be no people in the comment section saying all this stuff, okay?
Don't know what any of that meant, but okay.
3, 2, 1.
Oh my God.
Come on! Oh my goodness! It was so close, but now I'm losing. Right, I lost, but my God, this launched pretty well in rear-wheel drive, didn't it?
It did do very, very well, but you lost.
It actually wasn't loads slower. Anyway, here's the times. So then what exactly happened? Well, in the real drag race, the BMW just beat the Audi. However, both cars completed the standing quarter mile in 11.1 seconds. In the rear-wheel drive race, without using launch control, the Audi won. It completed the standing quarter mile in 11.6 seconds. The BMW took 11.8 seconds. I hope you'll enjoy the video. If you did, give it a like and let me know of some other drag races you'd like to see in the comments below. To watch some other videos, just click on the video windows. And if you want to see how these cars' quarter mile times compare to everything else we've ever drag raced, then click on the Carwow logo to check out the Carwow drag race leaderboard. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. I'll tell you what, Sam, shall we call that a draw overall?
I think that's fair. Yeah, absolutely.
Isn't it? No, we're being nice today, we're being friendly, we're being good friends. This can't